To my beloved sister, it has taken me 8 years to write you this letter to tell you how I feel. 8 years of carrying words unsaid and the longing so surreal. Not a day passes by that I don't make dua for you. I make dua that Jannatul Firdaus is the rank Allah raises you to. To lose someone so close and so sudden is not easy. Your passing has taught me to value those close to me deeply. Your kids are growing up so big and so beautiful. Allah has placed them in our care, and towards you will be dutiful. Taking care of an orphan comes with great reward, and yes, it is challenging, but the strength comes from our Lord. And if the roles were reversed, I know it is true. For me, my sister, you would have done the same too. Your eldest Fatima has completed her final year of studies to being an alima. You were Fatima's mother, but also her best friend, sharing her joy and her pain. And I know that her tears and her dua for you can never be in vain. But it's Allah's mercy that through them the greatest reward you will attain. Sometimes on a status, she posts a picture of you with a caption, I need you. All I can say to her is, your mother would have been proud of you. Yusuf is 17 and in matric stride. So much to endure, so much held inside. I sometimes look at him and I don't know what to say. I imagine he longs for your touch each and every day. I can never imagine what he's going through because at that age I needed my mother too. But I promise you, my sister, both I and my wife will always be there for them through every stage of their life. There are days I can't find the words for your kids, though to me they are precious, the most dearest there is. So all I can do is let them know, year after year, that forever and always, we will always be here. You twin girls, they are 9, so full of surprise. They know you through stories, through memories we keep alive. So much of their lives still waiting to unfold. So many discoveries, so much yet untold. And all that I can think is, Ya Allah, help them to discover the strength to walk life without a mother. I may not have said I love you out loud, but I pray my actions will make you proud. And by taking care of your kids, I seek Allah's satisfaction, that through them He raises your rank with their every good action. Life is a test, a trust we must face, but patience and faith will bring comfort and grace. Through every hardship, Allah is the greatest, showing our hearts where true strength is the straightest. I know it was your time in this dunya to part, but forever you will live inside my heart. And even though this world gives us loss and grief, we accept what has come, what was written to be, and we place our trust fully in Allah's decree. So I end this letter to you, my sister, with love in my heart and with acceptance of what Allah has placed in our path, making dua and hoping that Allah will gather us in Jannah forever and never ever again to part. Ameen.